Welcome. Today we are going to talk about overcoming shyness in English. Many learners feel nervous when speaking. You may worry about mistakes. You may feel embarrassed, but there is a way forward. You can build confidence step by step. Together, we will practice slowly, calmly, and with encouragement. Let's begin. Section 1. Building a safe mindset. First, remember this. Shyness is normal. Many people feel the same. You are not alone. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build. Say with me, I can speak English. Now, repeat. Good. Let's try another. I am learning step by step. Now, repeat. Very good. When you feel shy, your brain says, stop, don't speak. But we need to change that thought. Replace it with, it's okay. I can try. Say this slowly. It's okay. I can try. Now, repeat. That's excellent. Let's practice a short situation. Imagine you are in a cafe. You want to order coffee. You feel nervous. You take a breath. You smile. You say, hello. Can I have a coffee, please? Now, repeat. Perfect. You did it. Mini recap. Confidence starts inside your mind. You change your thought from fear to try. You practice simple sentences. You repeat them until they feel safe. That's how you begin. Section 2. Daily confidence habits. Now, let's move forward. Confidence grows when you practice every day. Small steps create big results. Every morning, try speaking one English sentence out loud. For example, today is a good day. Now, repeat, good. Another one. I am ready to practice English. Now, repeat, excellent. You can also talk to yourself while doing small activities. For example, when brushing your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. Now, repeat. When walking outside, say, I am walking to the store. Now, repeat. Very nice. These little habits train your brain. They make English feel natural. The more you hear your own voice, the less shy you feel. Let's try a simple confidence-building routine. 3 steps. Step 1. Smile and breathe. Say, I feel calm. Now, repeat. Step 2. Say one short English sentence. Say, I can do this. Now, repeat. Step 3. Add a little more. Say, I am learning English with confidence. Now, repeat. That's wonderful. Mini recap. Shyness gets smaller when you practice daily. Your voice becomes stronger. Your brain learns, I can speak. Simple sentences every day will change the way you feel. Section 3. Practicing with real-life situations. Now, let's practice using English in daily life. Real situations help you feel more confident. Imagine you are meeting someone new. You want to say hello. Simple words are powerful. Say hello. Nice to meet you. Now repeat. Good. Let's try another. Say, how are you today? Now repeat. Very good. Next, imagine you are at a store. You want to ask for help. Say, excuse me, can you help me? Now repeat. Excellent. Now imagine you are in a restaurant. You want to order food. Say, I would like some rice, please. Now repeat. Perfect. These sentences may look small, but they are big steps for confidence. When you use them in real life, your shyness will slowly fade. Here's a little practice conversation. Listen and then repeat. A hello. How are you? B. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? A. am good. Nice to meet you. B. nice to meet you too. Now repeat each line slowly. Hello. How are you? Repeat. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? Repeat. I'm good. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you too. Repeat. Nice to meet you too. Repeat. That's excellent. Mini recap. Real-life situations are your practice playground. Use simple greetings, simple requests, simple questions. The more you practice these, the easier they become. Your shyness will start to disappear. Section 4. Speaking with others. Now let's practice speaking with other people. Shyness often feels stronger when we are not alone. But you can learn to handle this step by step. First, remember to smile. Smiling makes you feel relaxed. It also makes others feel friendly. Say, I can smile and speak. Now repeat. Good. Start with short answers. If someone asks, how are you? You don't need a long speech. Just say, I'm fine, thank you. Now repeat. Excellent. If someone asks, where are you from? You can say, I'm from your country. Now repeat. Very nice. When you want to continue the conversation, you can ask a simple question back. Say, and you. Now repeat. That's wonderful. Let's practice a short dialogue. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. Where are you from? I'm from your country. Now repeat. Each line slowly. How are you? Repeat. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Repeat. I'm good. Where are you from? Repeat. I'm from your country. Repeat. Very good. You are doing great. Here's an encouragement sentence for you. I can speak with people. Now repeat. Mini recap. Speaking with others does not need to be long or difficult. Begin with short answers. Add one simple question. Step by step, you will feel stronger. Section 5. Building long-term confidence. Now you are ready for the final step. Shyness does not disappear in one day, but every small practice makes you stronger. Confidence grows when you repeat, review, and relax. Let's practice together. Say, I am learning every day. Now repeat. Good. Say, my English is improving. Now repeat. Excellent. When you feel nervous, breathe slowly. Smile. Use the short sentences we practiced. That will calm your mind. Here is a longer practice conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat, line by line. A hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? B. I'm from your country. And you? I'm from the United States. Do you like learning English? B. Yes, I do. I practice every day. Now repeat each line slowly. Hello, Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you too. How are you? Repeat. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from? Repeat. I'm from your country. And you? Repeat. I'm from the United States. Do you like learning English? Repeat. Yes, I do. I practice every day. Repeat. Very good. Now let's say some final encouragement sentences together. I am confident. Now repeat. I am not afraid of mistakes. Now repeat. I am proud of myself. Now repeat. Wonderful. You are making progress. I'm proud of you. Keep going, keep practicing, and step by step your shyness will disappear. Your voice matters. Your English matters. And you are doing it.